All right, we're going to practice rounding with decimal numbers. You're going to be doing this on your homework assignment today. And so as with a quick review, there's 4 different sections we're going to go over. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'm going to go through a few of them and then have you on your own do the rest of them, just as a practice. Okay, so the first section is rounding to the nearest whole number. So remember your rules is 5 or more, you raise the score up 1, and then 4 or less, you let it rest, which means you let it stay the same number. So if we have 4.8, the 8 is going to tell the 4 to what to do. So the 8 is more than 5, so it's going to go up 1, so this is going to turn into 5. 6.39, so again we're looking at that number behind the whole number place, so which is going to be the tens place. The tens place is telling the sixth what to do. So since it's less than 4 or less than 5, it's going to stay the same, so it's going to round to 6. Then we have 14.09. That 0, again, it's less than 5, so it's going to tell that 4 to stay the same. Then we have 200.55. Again, that tens place is going to tell the number in front what to do. So since it's 5 or more, it's going to go up 1, so it's going to turn to 201. So again, you're going to do the rest of them by yourself on this section, just as a practice. Okay, now to the next section is the nearest tenths. So again, we're not using the tens place, we're using the number that's behind it. So we're going to look at the 7. So the 7 is going to tell the 6 to go up 1. So we get 3.7. For our next one, again, that we've got that tens place. The number behind it's going to tell us what to do. So it's going to go up 1. So it's going to be 19.1. And again, the numbers behind it are just going to disappear. We are rounding it, so we're making it shorter. 120.52. So again, that 2 is going to tell the 5 what to do. The 5 is going to stay the same. So we get 120.5. And then this mark above it just means repeating. So it's going to repeat again 6 all the way behind. So the 6 is going to tell the 6 in front what to do. And so again, since it's more than 5, it's going to raise the score. So it's going to go up 1. So we get 136.7. The next section is rounding to the nearest hundredths place. So again, we find the hundredths place, which is our second digit. So that last digit is going to tell the number in front what to do. So the 2 is less, 4 or less, so it's going to stay the same. And then again, so we're looking at the 5 is going to tell the 2 what to do. So since it's 5 or more, it's going to raise the score and go up 1. And then we have our 6. The 6 is going to tell the other 6 what to do. So it's going to be 5 or more. We're going to raise the score up 1. And then we have our last one. The 2 is going to tell the 2 to stay the same because it's less than 4. And again, remember those numbers are just disappearing on the end. We're not using any of those. Okay, the last section is rounding the thousandths place. So that's going to be that third digit. So we're looking at the number behind. So the 4 is going to tell the 3 to stay the same. Okay, and then again, that third digit is our thousandths place. So the number behind it's going to tell us what to do. And since it's 4 or less, it's going to stay the same because we're going to let it rest. Okay, and again, this sign means repeating. So we're going to keep going out until we just have to stop. So again, that third digit, that 3 is going to tell the 3 what to do, and it's going to stay the same. And we don't need to put the repeating sign above again because we're just rounding it. And then the last one, so we'll go to that third digit. The 6 is going to tell the 6 in front to round up one place. Okay, so on your own, you're going to do this last column as a practice. And again, you have all of these already done. So again, they're going to look very similar to each other.